everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Today's recipe is a chocolate cookie recipe which has only 3 ingredients, and it's made out of one of my favorite hazelnut chocolates. You've guessed it right, it's Nutella, and it's so easy to make. It gets ready within about 15 minutes. So if you're really hungry and you just want to have something sweet, like you're watching your favorite movie and you just feel like dunking some cookies in a chilled glass of milk, then this is the ideal recipe to go to. So friends, we'll go to my kitchen and make this amazing chocolate cookies. But before that, let me remind you that if you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, guys, please hit that red subscribe button that you see just below this video. Do share my videos with family and friends. Do visit Akshata's Recipes for more than 200 recipes. So, let's get started with the simple and yet delicious chocolate cookies. So friends, we're going to take about 1 cup of Nutella or 150 grams of Nutella in a bowl. Now we're going to crack open 1 egg. And we're going to give this a good mix so that the egg gets well incorporated with the Nutella. Now we're just going to use all-purpose flour or plain flour. We're going to use 1 cup, but we're going to add half a cup at a time and mix it nicely into our egg and Nutella mixture. So just fold it in nicely. Then you can add the remaining half cup, which is again, we're going to use 1 entire cup, which is 150 grams. So whatever quantity of Nutella you're using, you're going to use the same amount of flour. And if you want to make more cookies, then if you're doubling their quantity, then add 2 eggs. So now give all of this a good mix. Now we're going to add some choco chips into this, but that is purely optional. And now we're going to line a baking tray with some baking paper or parchment paper, and now we're just going to take a little bit of the dough and roll them out into small balls and just space them out. Keep some space between each of them. From the amount of flour and Nutella that I'm using, I got exactly 20 cookies. Now once you've rolled them all out and spaced them out on the baking sheet, just take a fork and lightly press it down to give it a nice design or impression on the cookie. It really makes it look very nice once it's baked. And now all we have to do is just pop it into an oven and bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And there our cookies are baking, and here they're all ready. But let them sit on the tray for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to transfer them onto a wire rack, and it has to cool down completely for 10 minutes. That is very, very crucial so that you get the perfect chocolate cookie. So here we're going to transfer them onto a wire rack and let them sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes till they're completely cooled down. And our cookies are all ready to eat after 10 to 15 minutes. They look delicious and they definitely taste delicious, and you can see that they're nice and soft at the center and they have a lovely crust on the outside. They're really crunchy. I hope you liked this short and sweet recipe. Do stay tuned to Akshata's recipes. I will be coming out with many more recipes. So do let me know in the comments box below, how did your chocolate Nutella cookies turn out? Give this video a big thumbs up. Share my recipes with family and friends. And do visit Akshata's recipes because I've got more than 200 recipes. And to make it easier, you can go to the playlists. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. Once you have subscribed, do not forget to click the little golden bell, so every time I come up with a new video, you will be the first one to know. So when you go to the playlist, it's easier for you to find what you're looking for. There's sweet, there's savory, there's breakfast ideas, there's Christmas recipes, Diwali recipes. And to all my viewers, thank you so much for stopping by at Akshata's recipes. Have a great day, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And now with the Christmas season approaching soon, I'm going to be coming up with many more recipes. Be sure to go and check all the existing recipes that are there. I have put up recipes for kulkuls, milk cream, marzipan, Christmas cake, Neuris. The list is endless. And watch out for many more Christmas recipes coming up soon. So I'll catch you guys in another video. This is Akshata saying bye, take care and have a great day.